All right, grocers, let's talk about the power of Microsoft Teams and SYNQ, respective to your grocery stores. For those of you who have yet to discover us, we build the digital tools for the unschedulable, the ad hoc moments of running a grocery store. And grocery is one of our specialties. For some of this, it's as simple as these guys. Thermal scale labels. These are the labels that you're already buying for your thermal scale printers in the deli and in the meat department, so you can protect your deli items like artisan cheese and your high value meat products without any labor whatsoever. And if it's not paid for, you get a Microsoft Teams adaptive card notification. So yes, that means running an EAS program in a grocery store for those high value products without any labor to apply the sticker whatsoever. It might otherwise be all the paging requirements, like DSD arrivals, wet cleanup in aisle 6, customer service to check stand 3, someone please go do baskets. Because when you go to a busy grocery store, you guys make more pages than a busy car lot on a payday Friday. Say no to radios, say no to call boxes, say no to phones and paging, say no to the countless footsteps your FLWs are burning through the calories of profitability. Replace your bakery special order carbon copy books with text to Teams, with catalog to Teams. And by doing so, you're gonna leverage the form fill saved in the customer's phone to get all the information that we're manually taking by hand. Because with this approach, you can take all of your special requests from deli, from floral, from bakery, every hour of the day, regardless of coverage. Allow customers to scan empty holes using their smartphone. You're effectively crowdsourcing your out of stocks. And if it happens to be in stock, the customer can request that product right there off of their device. And if we're willing to put all that extra labor into e-commerce orders, shouldn't we be thinking about how to treat our best, most profitable customers? You know, the ones that are doing their own picking, their own packing, going through self-checkout by themselves, and then taking the groceries out to the car and driving home themselves? This goes beyond out of stocks. This is about building promotions with brands. Not only being a basket builder, but being a new source of revenue. We're turning teeth whitening into oral care. And it's so important, this is not a gimmick. The key part of all this is reciprocity. If you're gonna give technology to a customer, do so because it respects their time, not because it's a gimmick of flowers falling from the ceiling saying Happy Mother's Day in AR. Rid your store of call boxes. Leverage this technology for all your lock and showcases, like infant formula, razor blades, and oral care. And if you have such a presence, use this to transform your pharmacy. Because if you can't physically put the product in your shopping cart, you need to provide mobile-based technology that routes the request directly to Microsoft Teams. Explain curbside to an alien. Wait, what? You give the best parking spots to people who never actually come inside the store? Does your curbside signage say call the store and hit this extension? That's an analog last mile experience for a customer who specifically chose to be digital. And this is by design low bar technology to the consumer. Text messaging, web applications. You don't have to download an app. We have a saying here, don't resolve a physical friction by introducing an electronic one. For if you do this, you can transform your entire operation, your frontline workers, from analog to digital. Know how many times questions are being asked, how many times we're going to a locking showcase, and how many people are abandoning a locking showcase. Understand your whole counts from your customers and all those digital inputs that rival to online. I'm Nolan with SYNQ. Download Microsoft Teams. Go to appsource.microsoft.com, download the My Store by SYNQ app, and let's make this happen.